Hi everyone, it's me Coco and welcome to Kbeauty Inside. Today I will be sharing with you my thoughts on this Peripera ASMR collection, Sugar Cushion, Illubeam, and #pink. So starting off a little bit about the product, it comes in a regular type of compact, but it's thicker and has this adorable squishy jelly-like water compact on top with sprinkles, and I actually love playing with it. It's so satisfying. It comes with a little powder puff, and when you open it up, the cushion looks really pink and a lot darker than it actually is. These have 14 grams of product in them. At first glance, the packaging looks just like a cushion foundation for me, but it's actually a highlighter. Or maybe this is actually foundation for anyone else who's into a dewy and shiny type of look on their faces, but personally, I'll use this as a highlighter. It's like a pink luminous highlighter, but this one has glitter in it, and when I say glitter, I don't mean just like little speck. There's so much shine when applied to the face. There's like a peach colored glitter in here. It is super fine glitter, but it's going to be very noticeable on your face. I'm gonna use this product and apply it to my cheeks, my brow bone, and my nose, and also on top of my lips. So I'm gonna do a transfer test on my cell phone and see what we get so we know any other smudges. I'm just gonna hold my phone like this to my face like I'm talking and see how much of this product will transfer. So when I pull it off, I can definitely see there is a little bit of transfer, but it's not that bad. And overall, this product can be a yes to someone who likes a highlighter with lots of glitter, kind of like a super dewy or super shiny makeup look, but a no to someone who doesn't like lots of glitter on their face. But for me, I only want a little bit of shine since the glitters can be very extra to me. Nevertheless, you can just put a little dab and it goes a long way. It makes you look so fresh and achieve that lit from within look. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below because we are always glad to hear from you. If you want to see more, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell button so that you are notified whenever we have a new video. Bye Kbeauties, see you on our next video.